multidisciplinary substrate. And I have taken three very important areas where multidisciplinary research are being undertaken in European countries, Asian countries, and African countries. So with this, let me tell you that research is for creating a new knowledge by using existing knowledge or new knowledge in a very creative manner. So let me tell you the difference between disciplinary, interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, and transdisciplinary. So with this, I will be trying to tell you the difference. This is the figure I have taken. Please look into that. Disciplinary is unitary. And when we are talking about multidisciplinary, it is a combination or involvement of several academic disciplines, professional specializations in approach to a topic or a problem. What is interdisciplinary? Interdisciplinary is an adjective that describes the relating to more than one branch of knowledge. Then what is transdisciplinary? Transdisciplinary is describing more than one branch of knowledge in a very scientific manner. All are very much correlated. So let me tell you very, I mean to say in a very prominent manner, what is multidisciplinary research? So today we are going to discuss what is a multidisciplinary research, how it works. Multidisciplinary research is a research technique in which instruments and tools from several fields and disciplines are employed to obtain an answer to a question. That maybe you might have knowledge about this collaborative programs, because nowadays many areas are there, we need collaboration. So experts from several fields must work together to conduct this collaborative and coordinated study. And to address the issues at hand, they are always combine their knowledge, because for example, we'll take health and medicines. Health and medicine is a integration of biology, medicine, engineering, computer science, and many innovative areas in healthcare sectors for solution. For example, we may take climate change and sustainability. We may change the example of energy or renewable sources. We may take the example of artificial intelligence as well as technology. We may take several areas like food security and agriculture. All those areas need to, will be contributed by several, field of researchers are required to answer the problems or the questions. So when we are talking about this multidisciplinary research, how it is becoming very, very prevalent, and it is becoming very, very popular, because multidisciplinary studies address current and real world issues with a concentrated focus on solutions. A multidisciplinary research study is an examination or investigation of an issue to test a hypothesis using several disciplines, fields, and academic methods. To overcome the challenges, developing countries commonly use multidisciplinary strategy, and it represents forward-thinking scholastic methods. And when we are talking about multidisciplinary research, this encourages collaboration, as I told you, from among the experts from technology, social sciences, environmental studies, fostering a holistic approach to addressing the complex issues of urbanization. For example, urbanization, we have taken one subject, and it has potential to guide policymakers, urban planners, and communities towards creating more resilient, more inclusiveness, and environmentally friendly cities. In fact, we have taken the area urbanization, because you see, when we are talking about urbanization is not a single kind of like a phenomenon. It is not a single problem, because urban planning and smart cities is very much involved in integrating the planning, the environmental science, technology for smart city development, and a multidisciplinary approaches to address challenges related to urbanization is very much existing. And when we are talking about the trends, I have taken three trends for three different continents. One is for Asian countries, one is for European countries, and one is another one is African countries. So these are the three continents we have taken. So for European countries, there are three important areas nowadays. The general trends in multidisciplinary research has become a boom. In that case, why interdisciplinary collaboration has been encouraged by European countries, because across various fields, because this initiative and fundings create an opportunity aiming to promote research that surpass traditional disciplinary boundaries. That is why European countries are very much now they are promoting interdisciplinary collaboration. And moreover, the sustainability and climate change is a call of the hour. It is very much important. Many European nations are actively, are very in an involved manner. They are doing multidisciplinary research related to sustainability, climate change, and environmental sciences. And this includes the effort to understand and mitigate the impact of climate change. It is possible only through multidisciplinary research. Otherwise, the sustainability and climate change cannot be, I mean to say, addressed. The problems cannot be addressed. And the next is uh, health and life science. In European countries, there is a strong focus on multidisciplinary research in health and life sciences. Collaboration between medical researchers, biologists, engineers, data scientists are common in their platform. They are doing research through multidisciplinary approaches, and this is the general trend we have seen recently in European countries. Then come to the Asian countries. What is happening in Asian countries? Let us understand how Asian countries, they have adopted multidisciplinary research in various areas. In case of technology and innovation, many Asian countries, particularly China, Japan, South Korea, are leading in multidisciplinary research in technology and innovation. This includes research in artificial intelligence, robotics, and other cutting-edge technologies. They are doing very transparently technology and innovation, and India has a very good footing in that area also. And public health and infectious diseases, you see during COVID-19 pandemic has spurred multidisciplinary research in public health and infectious diseases across Asia. Collaboration between epidemiologists and virologists and healthcare professionals and data scientists have been prominent. We have seen during this period. And renewable energy, when we are talking about renewable energy, several Asian countries are investing heavily, deeply in multidisciplinary research related to renewable energy sources. Because you see, this includes the research in solar energy, wind power, energy, storage technology. So you see, making solar energy, making wind power, and we must have technology for storage also. So most of the Asian countries, they are working on these three areas in a very, I mean to say, very deeply. And when we'll be coming to the African countries, there are three important areas where we have seen record speaks, research speaks that agriculture and food security, many African nations are focusing on multidisciplinary research in agriculture and food security. Efforts include integrating agricultural science with technology and sustainable practices to address food challenges. And when we are coming to healthcare access and epidemiology, in that case, the multidisciplinary research in healthcare access and epidemiology And public health is crucial in addressing healthcare challenges in African countries. Collaboration between medical researchers, social scientists, and policymakers are essential. They have felt and they are doing accordingly. And renewable resources and conservation. When we are talking about, with a rich biodiversity, Asian countries are involved in multidisciplinary research to conserve natural resources and promote sustainable development. This includes research on biodiversity conservation, ecotourism, and sustainable resource management. So when we are talking about these three continents, India drives South Asia's current multidisciplinary research focus on engineering and technology in devoting significant attention to natural sciences. The agricultural sciences are a core focus on all South Asia countries, with the exception of India. The region's citation impact on closest to the world average in the field of engineering and technology. South Asian countries could effectively leverage their research sector to address vital development priorities, boost economic productivity, and raise competitiveness. And multidisciplinary research is crucial for tackling complex problems in African nations that we discussed, that continue to face numerous obstacles in areas of water, sanitation, agriculture, health, desertification, renewable energy, environment, natural resources, as well as security. Research intensive university group from 77 institutions around Europe have joined together to demonstrate their commitment to collaborating across border, promote innovation and new discoveries. And my submission is that researchers increasingly recognize the value of collaboration across traditional discipline and boundaries to address complex challenges. And as I told you, there are many areas where we need to address jointly. It is not a specific subject. It is not a specific area nowadays that the specific subject could be taken into account for solving the problems, solving the issues. We need to address by different subjects. For example, here I must take an example. For example, interdisciplinary in education. Nowadays, interdisciplinary education programs for preparing the students for collaborative research and problem solving has already been introduced in our country. So integration of these diverse perspectives of teaching and learning has already been implemented. So my dear friends, my dear scholars, my dear experts, those have been connected in this platform. I must claim that the future is always very, very conducive for multidisciplinary research, because nowadays many problems are there that one area, one subject cannot address the problem. Because you know very well, nowadays data science and big data plays a very important role. When we are talking about data science and big data, we need collaborative research, because it requires computer scientists, domain experts, social scientists for effective data analysis, and multidisciplinary research in data ethics, privacy, and security plays a very important role. And likewise, if at all we will be taking that food security and agriculture as a multidisciplinary subject, in this case, we must see that the agronomy, the genetics, the environmental science, technology, these are the areas, these are the subjects they are responsible to address the global food security challenges. And for this, collaboration to develop sustainable agriculture practices can be cultivated. So, my dear friends, the future is for multidisciplinary research is very much visible, and we are sure that this research, multidisciplinary research, will give you an insight to start your research, to start your journey in a very specific manner, in a very collaborative manner. So the society will be highly benefited. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I must extend my thanks to the listeners and the organizer, Eduskia Research University, Newcastle, USA. Thank you very much.